Welcome to Planet LASIK. I am Dr. Ritika Sachdev. Today we will be answering two basic questions. First, why do you need glasses in the first place? And second, if you do have glasses, how do you read your glass prescription? To understand why you need glasses, we have to understand how the eye works. This is the structure of a human eye. The cornea, which is the front part of the eye, and the lens essentially function to focus light onto the retina, which is the film that helps you see. Now, when rays of light are coming from an object, they pass through the cornea and the lens in a manner that they come to a perfect focus on the retina. This is much like the physics diagrams you drew in middle school and senior school. Remember, when it was coming to a focus at the focal point, you had a crisp image. This is what is at work in a perfect eye. Now, what happens if it does not come to a focus? Now, what happens if the image is not in focus? There are two conditions here. One is that if the rays coming are focused in front of the retina. This is what is called myopia. So this is the retina and the rays are coming to a focus in front of the retina. So by the time they reach the retina, they are diverging. That means this image, instead of being a point, is a blur. Why does this happen? This can happen because of two factors. First is your cornea has a higher power. It has a higher converging power than what you need. So you're converging way ahead of where you wanted it to converge. The second is that your eyeball is too long. If the eyeball is too long, then the focus is in front of the retina. So, how do we correct this? We correct this using minus glasses. Minus glasses diverge this beam of light. Let's look at another color. So, instead of this, now you have this. That means this minus glass is going to create a diversion so that the focus gets shifted back. This minus glass is what you use to correct myopia. This is the most common refractive error in young individuals. Now, let us look at another situation. Now you have the rays of light coming in and getting focused behind the retina. This again, by the time they reach the retina, because they are not a perfect point focus, your image is blurred. Why does this happen? This is happening because the cornea has lesser power. Its ability to converge is less. That's why you converge behind where you intend to converge. Or if your eyeball is too short. If the eyeball is too short, the focus gets shifted behind. So, how do we handle this? This situation is called hyperopia or hypermetropia and is handled using a plus power lens. A plus power lens converges the light. So you have some of the light being converged by this plus power lens and the rest of it by the eye, so that the point focus again falls on the retina. So this plus power lens is helping you do what the eye lacks. The eye lacks the ability to converge, so you are putting a plus power lens. Right? So this is why you need glasses. A lot of the individuals who wear glasses, be it plus or minus, also have a third component, which is a cylindrical power. Now, when I was talking about this, we were talking about the eye as a diffuse system. But the eye or the cornea may not be fully regular. There may be certain axes or a certain vertical. For example, if you draw a graph, you have two axes, the x and y. So one axis may have a higher power and the second axis may have a lesser power. And for you to see clearly, you need the convergence to be common. So to balance the variation in the power of the axis, you will be given a cylindrical power. To understand this a little better, I have a scan of a cornea. You see here, the colors depict the range of power of the cornea. So this is a steeper power, this is a flatter power. So when the cornea is steeper only in one axis, you will give a power to the axis that you want to correct so that you're able to equalize both the axes. So this is a cylindrical power. To understand how this translates into your glass prescription, let's have a look at a regular prescription. This is that of a 19-year-old male. You see here the distance correction is minus 5.75 sphere and the cylindrical correction is 0.5 at 160 degrees. What does this minus 5.75 mean? That this patient is suffering from myopia or minus power. This is a spherical correction because you give it globally or diffusely all over the eye. The second part is a cylindrical correction, which is a 0.5 cylinder in this case at the axis of 160 degrees. That means that you are giving this power and fitting it in a lens in a particular axis. And what is this? It is the vision that you are getting. 6 by 6 is the corrected vision. That basically means that with this glass, this person is able to see 6 by 6 or normal vision. Similarly, the left eye power is given as minus 5.5 sphere and minus 0.5 cylinder at 180 degrees, giving you a vision of 6 by 6. So the next time you get your glass prescription, we hope that you will be able to understand it better.
Follow Planet LASIK and post your queries to get answers from the experts.